Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to bring a still image of an old flag to life with realistic motion, and we'll even add a custom logo that feels like it's part of the fabric. We're going to use this raw flag image and animate it beautifully. To get started, I'll create a composition with my preferred settings. Now, I'm importing the PNG flag image into the composition and using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose it. I'm entering the composition and pre-composing the flag image layer once again. Now, we will animate the flag using two methods, first with the Breeze extension and then manually without any plugins. This is the Breeze extension, which is available on the website aescripts.com. Now, I mask the area of the flag I want to animate, then in the Breeze extension, I choose the direction that controls the wave movement. From the presets, I pick one, and I also check the option to enable the dual wave effect. Finally, I hit apply to add the animation. The effect is now applied. Next, we can adjust the wave height and wave width settings to get the desired look. All right, now let's move on to the manual method. First, we create a mask on the area we want to animate. Then, we duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+D and set the mask mode on one of the layers to subtract to invert it. Select the layer we want to animate, then pre-compose it using the Move All Attributes into the New Composition option. Enter the newly created composition and carefully snap the flag layer to the edge of the composition space where we want the animation to stay fixed. Return to the main composition, and now position the original layer in its correct place. Now we apply the wave warp effect to the flag layer. In the settings, we adjust the direction to the right orientation, then tweak the wave height and wave width. The next important setting is pinning, which should be set to the appropriate edge. I'm selecting the top edge. To improve the flag's movement, we need to duplicate the wave warp effect and set the direction to the opposite angle. We also significantly reduce the wave height and wave width values. Now, we'll add a back and forth rotation animation. First, using the Pen Behind tool, we move the anchor point to the edge of the flag layer. We make the layer 3D, then create an animation for the X rotation in the Transform section. To do this, hold down the Alt key and click the stopwatch icon to open the expression editor, where we type in this code. By increasing or decreasing the last number in the code, we can control the amount of the flag's rotation movement. Now, to add the logo to the flag, we go into the main flag composition, the one that contains the flag image layer, and import our logo into it. We position it where we want. Then we duplicate the flag layer and set the logo layer's track matte to use the new flag copy. Finally, we switch the logo layer's blending mode from alpha to luma. To blend the flag texture better into the logo, we apply the curves effect to the flag layer and adjust it until we get the desired result. If needed, we can also apply the Displacement Map effect to the logo to simulate the flag's folds and surface details on it. All right, we're done here. Now let's go back to the main composition. We need a bit of lighting, so we create a point light and move it upward and forward until it's positioned to give us the desired effect on the flag. And that's a wrap. Our animated flag is complete. I hope you enjoyed the process and picked up some useful tips. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and creative content. See you in the next one.